Hey folks, today we're going to show you how to use current Creative Cloud plugins in Fontagent with Adobe's latest release, Adobe Creative Cloud 2022. Now let's take a look at how we do that. First off, I want to launch Fontagent, which I've done over here. And I'm going to go to Tools, Install Plugins. And the reason why I'm showing this is because you can see I've already got some plugins installed here, and it's not showing the Adobe 2022 plugins. This software has not been updated to support this interface as yet. The next release, I'm told, will. So in that case, you'll need to manually install the plugins for Adobe Creative Cloud applications. Now, on a side note, Infinity applications don't require a plugin. So if you're using Infinity Designer, etc., you will not need a plugin and they will work just fine still. Okay, so let's go over to the next area here. So what I want to do is go to the Go menu and then go to Applications, select Fontagent 9, and the current release is Fontagent 9.6.3. From there I want to select the application Fontagent. I want to right-click it and I want to show package contents. And package contents is basically how the application is bundled from a programming standpoint. I want to show that, and in here you can see the main folder is contents. When you open that up, you have some options here. We want to open up the library folder, and then we want to open up the plugins folder here, and then we want to select the Creative Cloud 2021 plugin for Illustrator and for Photoshop. Currently, the InDesign plugin is not supported in Adobe 2022, and it is being modified to support that application. Now, in some instances, if you're running an M1 Mac, you will not need to install a InDesign plugin. It will work and activate the fonts correctly. That will be explained in another video. Once you've selected these fonts, you can hold down the Option key and drag them to the desktop, making a copy. From there, you will open up your Adobe applications. So if I go back to Applications here and go to Adobe and say go to, where's my Photoshop? Here's my Illustrator. Let's just do that one. And I'll go to the Plugins folder, and there I will just add the plugins here. That will give me the functionality I need, and it's that simple. So hopefully that will help you solve that problem, and we'll have more videos on this forthcoming. Thank you for watching.